everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Anam. If you've been following along, we've already covered the present, past, and future tenses. Today, we're moving one step forward by learning an important grammar topic, active and passive voice. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify and convert sentences from active to passive voice easily with simple rules and clear examples. So let's get started. What is voice in English grammar? Define voice. The form of a verb that shows whether the subject performs or receives the action. Two types. Active voice. The subject does the action. Passive voice. The subject receives the action. Active. Ollie ate the apple. Passive. The apple was eaten by Ollie. Structure explanation. Active voice structure. Subject plus verb plus object. She writes a letter. Passive voice structure. Object plus be verb plus past participle plus by plus subject. A letter is written by her. Tense-wise transformation. Show how sentences change from active to passive in different tenses. Tense active voice, passive voice. Present. Simple. He writes a letter. A letter is written by him. Past. Simple. She cleaned the room was cleaned by her. Future simple. They will deliver the parcel. The parcel will be delivered. Present continuous. I am making tea. Tea is being made by me. Past continuous. See, we're watching a movie. A movie was being watched. Active. The teacher teaches English. Passive. English is taught by the teacher. Active. He will complete the project. Passive. The project will be completed by him. Active. They are watching TV. Passive. TV is being watched by them. Active. She was writing a letter. Passive. A letter was being written by her. Active. The chef cooks delicious meals. Passive. Delicious meals are cooked by the chef. When to use passive voice. Use when the doer is unknown or unimportant. The car was stolen last night. Use in formal writing or scientific reports. The experiment was conducted successfully. Convert the following into passive voice. She reads novels. They play football. He is writing an email. We cleaned the kitchen. The manager will review the files.